Hello, welcome to my channel. Actually, it's welcome back to my YouTube channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. It was a very long gap, almost a month. So I'm back with a new recipe. I just took a break with a recipe of ilish, and this is already the season of Hilsha or ilish. So I'm coming back with another ilish recipe, which is a very famous one, Mawa ghater Ilisher Leja Bhorta. So what is the specialty about this recipe? Specialty is that in between this gap, so many people contacted me. You can see that so many subscribers are there. So one of them, a lady, she told me that she is staying in USA and she's a Bengali lady, by the way, and she said that not to take her name. It's okay, fine, I know, and thank you so much for requesting me for this recipe. It was a challenge for me. She told me that she loves ilish or hilsa, and she's a Bengal and her husband is Ghoti. But and he does not like ilish because there's so much kata and that smelly ashte flavor, he doesn't like it. So she said that can you do something, because I wanted to try this Ilisher Leja Bhorta. How can I do this? Because if I want to fry it, entire apartment will be smelly and my husband can faint. So I said, what you want me to do? She said, if it's possible, if you can do it in micro oven. I said, fine. I never cooked in micro oven this. Yeah, ilish bhapa I did. You will get the recipe. But this one I never did. So I said, fine. It's a challenge for me too. So what I did the Mawa ghater Ilisher Leja Bhorta. I did this fry in micro oven, and after that I prepared entire thing. So the recipe will be here. And one more thing that is a surprise, one of my auntie Shubhra Di, I call her Shubhra Di, she is very senior to me, but she is a very such nice person. She told me, "Are tu ki kore ei loko loko kata bachis re?" I said, fine, okay, when I'll come back I'll show you how to do it. So once you will go through the recipe, you can see how to do this, like ilish macher kata ki kore beche nite hoy, like how to debone it after this frying. So it's not easy, and now it's not tougher either. So I'm really very happy. For such a long time I was not there, but nobody forget me. They saw me in Facebook. I got messages in Facebook, Instagram as well, and this is really very nice to see that my channel is growing. So this is my recipe. So just go through ilish macher Mawa ghater Ilisher Bhorta, Ilisher Leja Bhorta recipe. Try this recipe, steps, everything. So check my YouTube channel. I'll be regular. Check my YouTube channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. You can find me in Instagram, and definitely Madhurima's Kitchen you can find in Google to place food orders, in Zomato as well, and obviously I am in Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen. So just try the recipe and enjoy. Let's start with the cooking Mawa ghater Ilisher Leja Bhorta. So I have this fish tail, the ilish one. And what are the ingredients I have? It's very simple. I have sliced onions. In this recipe we have to use lots of sliced onion, and that is lemon, chopped coriander, and red chilli. If you don't have red chilli, you can use the green chilli as well. And one more thing I have, that is dry red chilli, the whole. I will prepare everything in micro oven. So let's start with the marination. I have that Hilsha fish, and so sprinkle some turmeric powder, and then I will sprinkle a little bit of salt, because later I will add some salt, so not much. Here you can use red chili powder as well, but I cannot have lots of tikha and spicy. That's why I'm not adding it, because in Mawa ghater Ilisher Leja Bhorta, they use lots of chilies, the chili powder, then the dry red chili and the green chili as well, but I'm not using that. And I'm trying to prepare this in the micro oven, so that's why I'm adding some mustard oil in the marination. If you are frying this fish in oven, then you don't need to add this mustard oil. So that's it. I will rub it and I will keep it for 15 minutes, 10 minutes maximum, 10 to 15 minutes, depend how many this fish tail you have. So let's marinate and wait. Meanwhile I will fry this red chili. So I'll just add little bit of mustard oil, and then I'll place it in micro oven. So first of all I'll fry the chili. Here, we'll place it. Micro mode. And for 1 minute, I'll do it. And now I will fry the fish. So this is the fish I have. So first I will press the micro mode and full power is 900. Place it here. No need to cover. And then I have to fry it for 1.5 minutes in micro mode. So we have to wait, and after that I'll flip another side and I will check if it's done or not. So very carefully. It's hot. So it's half done. You can see. Now I will flip it and I will put it in the micro oven for 1 more minute and it will be done, the deep fry one. So you can see it's already fried. So I'll show you later, and the fish oil I will use in the hot tub. So let it be cool. Now the fish, the leja actually, it's fried. So here I'll place it. You can see it's fried, crispy fried in micro oven. As somebody told me, actually requested me, can you please prepare this Mawa ghater Ilisher Leja Bhorta in micro oven? So that is why I gave a try. I never fried any fish before in micro oven. So this is my first attempt and actually it is good. Now what we have to do, we have to debone it. That is the main thing, need lots of patience. So I'll come back later once these are deboned. So many I need to use 2 hands. With 1 hand it won't be possible. So this fish bones are really very scary for ilish actually. So I have to be very patient, otherwise whenever I'm going to eat the bharta, this will become inside my mouth, which is not good at all. So I'll come back once I'm done. Now you can see already it's done. So there is no fish. I'll show you something how to do it here and dunk it in here. So it will be much more easier. Dunk it and then try it. So this is the way you have to debone the hilsha or any other fish, and there won't be ilisher kata. So I'll go back to the cooking portion. I have this fish oil, fried mustard oil. So I'll add the fish over here. Seriously, the lady who requested me for this recipe, I'm thankful to her that she requested me, and at the same time she will be very happy because now she can have ilish. And lots of piyaj or onion we have to use in this recipe. So the onions are here and the chopped coriander. So that was the fried one. Here you go. And lemon juice. Some people add the garlic, chopped garlic, fried garlic, but I don't like it. Basically in Mawa ghater Ilisher Leja Bhorta recipe they don't use garlic. So now we have to mix and mash. And I'm not adding any salt because already salt is there when I marinate the hilsha fish and it was little bit salty. So now I have to mash it properly. And Mawa ghater Ilisher Leja Bhorta in microwave. The recipe is ready to serve. You can serve it with plain rice. So this is the recipe. So thanks for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. You can go through the playlist. There are many playlists over there, microwave cooking and diet recipe. So whatever you like, you can go through the playlist and then you can try the recipe. And you can request some more recipes as well to me. If it's possible, definitely I'll do it for you. So you can follow me in Instagram as well, Madhurima's Kitchen, and you can place food order from Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook page and from Google as well. So till then, bye bye.